Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, T-Mobile now has a tablet for Uber and Lyft drivers to put in their car to start earning up to $200, $300 per month. And I want to talk about it because gas prices are through the roof. Uber and Lyft rates have not kept up with inflation. It's more expensive to live right now. It's more expensive to pay for groceries, to maintain your car, and just to overall live. Even taxes are going up. And it's such a shame that Uber and Lyft haven't increased rates to accommodate these increase in prices. Shouldn't Uber and Lyft simply keep their rates going up and up and up to be able to help drivers keep up with the cost of expenses in life? That's what pretty much every other company does. You go to Chick-fil-A, what were they paying last year, a couple years ago? $13 an hour, $14 an hour. Now you go in, it's $17 an hour to start. Shouldn't Uber, anyways, I'm gonna rant, but I'm gonna get started with this company. I have a link below to get signed up. The company is called Play Octopus. Maybe you've seen them before, but this is now T-Mobile. If you didn't know, T-Mobile just bought Play Octopus this year, and now they, obviously T-Mobile, what is T-Mobile? A multi-billion, well, is it multi-billion? Multi-million dollar company, right? They are currently valued at, what is it? I don't know, $163 per share. I don't really know what that equates to, but I'm assuming several $100 million. Obviously, they are, a huge corporation, and for them to get into the rideshare space is really big. Now, I'm gonna break down how this works. So basically what you do is you put this in the back of your car, on the back of your headrest, and your passengers play trivia games. And the reason why they play games is because T-Mobile offers them cash prizes, $25 gift cards every single day for your passengers, for the top scorers. So somebody's gonna win, and it might be your passenger, and they're gonna get in, they're gonna start playing the games. Now, not everybody's gonna play the games. In my experience, I would say maybe 30 to 40% of passengers play the games. The other half, they're just on their phone, whatever, twiddling their thumbs, they don't care. But for a lot of passengers, they get in, they play a game or two, whatever, and you as a driver earn money every single time you just get in your car. And they actually the passengers don't even need to play the games. The more you drive, the more you earn. So they're available, I believe, now nationwide because of this T-Mobile acquisition. And they play ads in between the games. That's how it works. They're advertising to the passengers. They're running like Disney ads or Red Bull ads or whatever. And also, so just from that alone, from the points, they say full-time drivers average $100 per month. Now, what I do and what a lot of other people do, like I'm doing in this video, is you can, once you sign up, they give you a referral code, a referral link to share, and you can share that on Facebook, you can share that on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. TikTok would be a great place to do it. You can create a YouTube channel or a blog, or you can just tell other drivers, hey, if you're at an airport lot or whatever, hey, you want to earn some extra money? Check out my tablet in my car. They go, heck yes, I do. Give them your link. Make sure they use your referral code. And every single time you sign somebody up, you're going to earn, I believe it's $25 per person. So even if you just do one person per week, that's 4 a month. That's an extra $100. So literally just by doing this, and I know you guys are salespeople, you have other experience too. If you do 2-3 people a week, that's not even that much, that many people. You're already earning hundreds of dollars a month just by, and it's a really easy sell. It's not really selling because you're actually offering them a way to make money. Other drivers, hey, this is a new way to earn income, and they go, yeah, I like money. So you as a driver can take a percentage, $25 per person. So you could easily start hitting $200 a month, $300 a month. You could easily start paying your car payment off or whatever it is. Start paying for your rent if you have roommates, $300-400 a month. Yeah, that could be your whole rent payment. So it's really incredible what T-Mobile is doing. So want to just say thumbs up and sign up with my link below if you'd like. Otherwise, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye now.